Welcome back to You Can Do It. This is part of the Husqvarna 357 rebuild series. But what we're going to do now is we're going to take out this decompression setup because it's actually a bloody nightmare. They don't work very well, and also you get oil and crap all around here. So what we're going to do is take this right out, and we're going to get rid of the decompression totally. So stick with us, and I'll show you how we can do it. First thing, take this one off. These were sort of good intention, these designs, but I think they cause more problems than they say. But basically, this rubber can split, and well, this can go, and this gets all completely covered in oil and crap around here. So we've taken that one. So this one I think is what have we got on there? 15. And you need a 15mm on there. Oh, that's a bit of a tight one on there. I've loosened that off now. Take this out. So that's basically so it's constantly open unless it's got a vacuum on this end, which sort of sucks it closed. So as the when you try to start it, it's like that, and then as it gets a vacuum, and it gets that from here. But so there's lots of roots of failure on there, so we're going to get rid of this totally. So let me wipe that up there. Yep, that's good. Then we open this little packet of goodies, and we've got the Husqvarna blanking plug. So what we can do there, you can see in there, let's put that in there, and I think that's actually a 13mm. So I need to go and get myself a different size socket. I'll be back. 13mm socket. Yeah. Tighten that, you feel that compressing up against the screen washer. Right. Because we're going to do a pressure test on this as well in part of the rebuild. That'll be another video about how to do a pressure test on this and check. So that's in there now. So now we've got to deal with this end. Now, take this one off. This is actually all right. This there we are. That's off, and then here. Yeah. That one's off. So now we're just left with that there. What we can do is put like a rubber cap on that. I need a way to pressure test this, so I can pressure test it through that hole there. And then once I've finished the pressure testing, okay, because I want to pressure test this, I want to have some sort of way of just sealing that, but then also I'm taking it off if I need to do pressure test then. So what I've got done there, look, is I've got some M3 taps. They're all slightly different. They're M3, but they get bigger to the right, correct M3 size. So I've just tapped that so you can see down there. Look, you can see I've got some threads down there. So I can now just get a little M3 bolt and put some gasket sealer on it, or Loctite, and just screw that in there, and that'll seal. But what that gives me the opportunity of doing at the moment is just putting my pressure tester on there to pressure test the whole system when I build it up. So there, in fact, let me go and get a screw. I'll go and get a 3mm screw, and I'll put it on there. Then I'll basically finish the job. We've got rid of the decompression setup, and it's all good to go. Okay, there's a little M3 bolt I've got. So that fits in there lovely. So that's like a little service port now. If you need to do a quick compression test, yeah. So what I do is put some gasket sealer on there, and then screw that in. If you don't want to actually tap that, another option you can do if you're not interested about doing is you can actually just get some pliers and twist that out, and then you can do a tap in that way. So it's up to you what you want to do, but you'll see later in the video series why I've done that for a compression test. So there you go. You've got rid of your troublesome decompression setup. Now, if for any reason you're particularly weak or you don't want to have to pull against a full compression, you can actually, instead of putting that bolt in there, you can insert one of those little decompression valves that you do manually. But we're trying to get away from all decompression problems at the moment, so that's what we've done, that and that. So that's how you've got rid of your decompression. Set up on that's on a 357, but they're all pretty much the same. But hope that's helped. Subscribe to the channel. Love to see you. Any questions? Send me some questions, and I'll answer and help if I can. You can do it.